Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use pay later option in Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to use the pay later option, you just simply have to open your Agoda application at first, and after that this homepage will appear into your Agoda. You just simply have to select what you want to book into this Agoda section, and after choosing which is suitable and you want to book into your Agoda. Now after coming to this section, you will see all of the details about the place and everything. Now you just simply have to tap into this see all rooms option, and then you will get the option of book. Just simply tap into this book option at first, and after tapping into that book option into your Agoda, tap into this next final step button, and now after tapping into there, you will get the option of book now. But before tapping into that book now option, you just simply have to enter your payment method into here. Just simply register your payment method into this page and then click to book now. Then you can use the option of pay later into Agoda. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.